Okay, this morning this is going to be a quick video on tutorial on how to use the templating system that has been in OpenEMR for quite some time now. It was called under the Nations note to begin with, and it was really built for the SOAP note to start with, but then it's been spread to any text box anywhere in any form from the layout engine. So here we go. If you double click on any text box in any form, you're going to get this. Okay, and so the question is, how can you add components? This is how you add components. Well, first thing you have to do is go personalize. Also, I'm going to put these instructions in the description below so you can find them on our system. Oh no, it logged me out. Let's try that again. I'm in the OpenEMR demo system. Let's try that again. Can't believe it locked me out. Well, that's a blooper. Let's see if I can get back in and get this going. And if this doesn't work, then I'll do it from another system. So go in, go here. I'm picking a SOAP note that I know is already there. And so click on this. Alright, so we're back in the thing. So you can see how I got here rather than just showing up here. If you notice, there are no contexts here. And so in order to add these things here, you have to click personalize. Once you click personalize, then you would need to... Now, you can use the contexts that are there. These are the default that come with the system, or you can add your own. So you can click on the add new context, and I'm just going to call this one... Yeah, you can see I've done it before already. So I'm going to call this one Chief Complaints. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I mean, as far as naming convention, I'm just adding something in there. So I added Chief Complaint. You can also edit these here if you want them to say something different than subjective. You can call it... There we go. So let's update that. So as you can see, I can change the names of these or I can add to them. Alright, so that's the first step that you can do. Either change these or add to them. So once you do that, I'm going to close this. Now, if I go to add category, then you can see I got suspense and I got Chief Complaint. I'm going to do Chief Complaint, I'm going to add wound care or my new category. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. And it says successfully added wound care. Now, I can save it. And as you can see, it shows up over here under Chief Complaint Wound Care. And as you can see, these still show up where they are. And I'm the only user right now, so therefore, admin. Actually, I'm not, but I think nobody has shared their others. That's a different video though. Let's go ahead and continue with this. So once I close this out, you can see it automatically reloaded the screen for you. Now if I go here, you can see that I have Chief Complaint as a context. So I'm going to choose my context template, and then as you can see, I have wound care here as a category. Now once I select wound care, now you can see that the component says I can add a component now. So I'm going to go ahead and add Alright, I typed really long there, so, and you can make these as long or as short as you need them to be. Of course, they should be little blurbs that you're going to put in the text box over here. And so they're for text only. You can't do any HTML markup language or any of that stuff. It is just text. So and I've done these where they're really long and really elaborate, and you can build all kinds of sentences out of this if you lay them in correctly. I think you get the point by now. So I can add as many components or different types of components as I want. So it depends on what components I want to put in and what do I want them to say. And of course, after I put them in, I can either delete them or edit them. If you notice that it is currently black here, if I go ahead and select this one, notice it turns red. So that lets me know that I've used that sentence in the form. And of course, the formatting follows my cursor. If I put my cursor down here and click this one next here, it puts it wherever my cursor ends up next. Okay, so that's been a brief tutorial on how to use the templating engine to build all kinds of stuff that will help speed up you creating your documents. Thank you for watching.